All right, let's dive into the exciting world of commodities trading and discover how you can make money from the comfort of your home. Did you know that some savvy investors have reaped substantial profits through commodities trading? Imagine having the potential to grow your wealth significantly by investing in commodities right from your own living room. Investing in commodities can be a lucrative way to make money from the comfort of your own home. But it's not as simple as just buying and selling. There are many factors to consider when getting into the world of commodity trading. First and foremost, you need to do your research. Understand the different types of commodities available for trading, such as precious metals, energy, agriculture, and more. Each type of commodity has its own unique market dynamics and factors that can affect its price. Next, you'll need to choose a trading platform. There are many online brokers that offer commodity trading services. Make sure to choose a reputable broker with a user-friendly platform and competitive fees. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to start trading. You can buy and sell commodities through futures contracts, options, or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Futures contracts allow you to buy or sell a specific quantity of a commodity at a predetermined price at a future date. Options give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a commodity at a specific price within a certain time frame. ETFs are investment funds that track the price of a specific commodity or group of commodities. When trading commodities, it's important to keep an eye on market trends and news that can affect prices. Factors such as supply and demand, geopolitical events, weather patterns, and economic indicators can all impact commodity prices. Stay informed and be prepared to adjust your trading strategy accordingly. Risk management is also crucial when trading commodities. Prices can be volatile, so it's important to set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Diversifying your portfolio can also help mitigate risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different commodities to reduce the impact of price fluctuations. It's also important to have a clear trading plan and stick to it. Set realistic goals and objectives for your trading activities. Determine how much capital you're willing to risk, what your target returns are, and how you'll react to different market scenarios. Discipline is key when it comes to successful commodity trading. Keep learning and improving your trading skills. The commodity markets are constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed and adapt to changing conditions. Take advantage of educational resources, attend webinars and seminars, and learn from experienced traders. Investing in commodities can be a profitable way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn significant returns from the comfort of your home. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to invest in commodities and make money from home. Understanding commodities. Commodities are raw materials or primary agricultural products that can be bought and sold. They are typically categorized into two main types: hard commodities, natural resources that must be mined or extracted, such as gold, oil, and natural gas. Soft commodities, agricultural products or livestock, such as wheat, coffee, sugar, and cattle. Why invest in commodities? Diversification. Commodities often move independently of stock markets, providing a hedge against inflation and economic downturns. Inflation hedge. Commodities tend to increase in value when inflation rises, protecting purchasing power. High potential returns. Certain commodities can yield significant returns, especially during periods of high demand or geopolitical instability. Steps to invest in commodities from home. Step 1. Educate yourself. Before diving into commodity investing, it's crucial to understand the market. Here are some resources and strategies to get started. Books and online courses. Read books like The Little Book of Commodity Investing by John Stephenson, or take online courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy. Financial news. Follow commodity news on websites like Bloomberg, Reuters, and MarketWatch to stay updated on market trends and price movements. Expert opinions. Follow industry experts and analysts for insights and forecasts. Step 2. Choose your investment method. There are several ways to invest in commodities, each with its own benefits and risks. Commodity futures description. Futures contracts are agreements to buy or sell a commodity at a predetermined price at a specified time in the future. Pros: potential for high returns, leverage to control large positions with a small investment. Cons: high risk due to leverage, requires significant knowledge and experience. Commodity ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Description: ETFs are funds that track the price of a specific commodity or a basket of commodities. Pros: easy to buy and sell through brokerage accounts, lower risk compared to futures. Cons: management fees, not as much leverage as futures. Commodity stocks. Description: investing in companies that produce or trade commodities, such as mining companies for gold or oil companies. Pros: potential for high returns, dividends. Cons: stock price can be influenced by factors unrelated to commodity prices. Physical commodities. Description: buying and holding the physical commodity, such as gold bars or silver coins. Pros: tangible asset, hedge against economic instability. Cons: storage and insurance costs, liquidity issues. Commodity mutual funds. Description: mutual funds that invest in a diversified portfolio of commodity-related assets. Pros: diversification, professional management. Cons: management fees, less control over specific investments. Online platforms and apps. Description: platforms like eToro, Robinhood, and others offer commodity trading with low minimum investments. Pros: user-friendly, access to various commodities, low fees. Cons: limited control over investment specifics, potential for high volatility. Step 3. Open an investment account. To invest in commodities, you'll need to open an account with a brokerage or trading platform that offers access to commodity markets. Step 4. Develop a trading strategy. Having a clear strategy is crucial for successful commodity investing. Consider the following elements. Risk management. Determine how much risk you're willing to take and set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Diversification. Spread your investments across different commodities to reduce risk. Technical analysis. Use charts and technical indicators to identify trends and entry-exit points. Fundamental analysis. Analyze supply and demand factors, economic indicators, and geopolitical events that can impact commodity prices. Step 5. Execute your trades. Once you've chosen your investment method and developed a strategy, it's time to start trading. Monitor markets. Keep an eye on market conditions, price movements, and news that can affect your investments. Use your brokerage platform to place buy or sell orders based on your strategy. Step 6. Stay informed and adapt. The commodity market is dynamic and influenced by a variety of factors. Stay informed and be ready to adapt your strategy. In summary, investing in commodities can be a lucrative option for making money from home when approached with the right knowledge and strategy. By tapping into this market, you have the potential to grow your wealth and achieve financial success. I encourage you to explore further investment opportunities by checking out our other videos on financial literacy. Feel free to share your thoughts, questions, or experiences in the comments section below. Remember, the journey to financial success begins with taking the first step towards learning and investing wisely.